Oromo history, from ancient roots to modern struggles. 1. Ancient origins. The Oromo are one of the oldest Cushitic-speaking peoples in the Horn of Africa. Their history stretches back thousands of years. Traditionally, they trace their ancestry to regions near the Upper Nile and southern Ethiopia. Their migration and expansion across modern-day Ethiopia, Kenya, and Somalia began around the 16th century, though they had existed as a people long before. At the core of their society was the Gadaa system, a sophisticated, democratic socio-political institution that governed every aspect of life. It organized society into age grades, elected leaders every 8 years, and emphasized justice, equality, and participatory leadership. The Gadaa system was recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. 2. Cultural identity and way of life. The Oromo people have a deeply rooted connection to nature and spirituality. They revere Waka, the traditional monotheistic god, and hold sacred rituals under the Odaa tree, a symbol of justice and unity. Their oral traditions, songs, and storytelling have preserved their heritage for generations. The Macha Talama Association in the 1960s marked a peaceful political awakening, though it was later banned. Qeerroo played a pivotal role in toppling Ethiopia's authoritarian regime. In 2018, the Oromo struggle became global, calling attention to issues of land rights, political representation, and cultural recognition. Their demand is simple yet powerful: to live with dignity, in freedom, with recognition of their culture and rights. From the shade of the Odaa tree to the chants of the Qeerroo in the streets, their legacy continues to inspire a generation seeking unity, peace, and justice in the Horn of Africa. Armed groups like the Oromo Liberation Front (OLF) later emerged, calling for self-determination. Oromo clans speak dialects of Afaan Oromo, one of the most widely spoken languages in Africa. Their culture is expressed in music, dance like the shagoi, and dress often featuring vibrant colors and beadwork that symbolize both identity and unity. 3. Struggles under empires. In the late 19th century, the Oromo came under conquest by Emperor Menelik II of Ethiopia. The imperial expansion forcibly integrated Oromo lands into the Ethiopian Empire. Speaking Afaan Oromo or practicing traditional customs could be punished. Yet, despite these pressures, the Oromo maintained a strong underground cultural resilience. The Gadaa system was suppressed, Oromo language and religion were discouraged, and lands were redistributed to northern elites. For over a century, Oromo identity was marginalized. 4. Resistance and the rise of Qeerroo. The 20th and 21st centuries saw the Oromo rise to reclaim their voice. In the 2010s, a new wave of resistance grew, this time led by Qeerroo, the youth movement. Through protests and civil disobedience, 5. Today, and the road ahead. Today, the Oromo are the largest ethnic group in Ethiopia, but still face challenges around federalism, justice, and identity. Oromo history is not just one of struggle, but also of profound wisdom, endurance, and hope.